Hello everyone, welcome back to Meerriz Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer files between your iPhone, Android, and Windows PC or laptop, wirelessly and for free. You won't need any cables, no cloud storage, no signups, and yes, it works across all platforms. Let's get started. First, go to your computer or laptop and open any web browser. Now type LocalSend for PC into Google and click the first result. It should take you to localsend.org. You'll see download options. If you're using Windows, click on the .exe file to download the installer. You can use the shell commands too, but I recommend the .exe. It's easier for beginners. Once downloaded, install it just like any normal app and launch it. Now take your iPhone or Android device, open the App Store or Play Store, and search for LocalSend. Install the app. It's free and doesn't ask for any annoying signups. Once installed, open the app. You'll see options to send or receive files. Before you send files, make sure that your phone and your PC or laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's the only requirement for LocalSend to work properly. Now you're ready. On your phone, choose Send, then select the file you want to transfer. Photos, videos, documents, anything. Your PC should automatically appear in the list. Just tap on it and boom, your file will be transferred instantly, without any cables or internet upload. You can also do it the other way. Select Send on your PC and transfer to your phone. That's it. Simple, fast, and free file transfers between all your devices using LocalSend. If you face any issues, drop a comment. I personally read and reply to every one of them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.